SQL Server 2025. It is free edition. Using for database structured query language. Installation setup on Windows 11. Desktop browser open. Google search box లో SQL Server download. Enter key press. Microsoft SQL Server downloads. First link click. Microsoft Data Platform official redirectory web page. Complete display. Mouse scroll down. Get started with SQL Server on premises or in the cloud section లో 4 options display. Fourth one, SQL Server 2025 Express. Bottom side, download now option click. Download section లో SQL 2025-sshx.exe file downloading process completed. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder లో SQL setup file display. Select mouse double click. SQL Server 2025 విండోలో ఫస్ట్ బటన్ yes click. Download folder minimize. SQL Server 2025 Express Edition విండోలో select an installation type. 3 options display. First one basic. Select Microsoft SQL Server license terms. Application related complete info display in middle section. Second button accept click. Specify SQL Server installation location. Install location default installation path display in box. Local disk C. Program files directory. Newly created folder Microsoft SQL Server. In case change the another one drive, right side browse button click. Present unnecessary. Minimum free space 7582 MB. Download size file size 727 MB. Requirement system. Third button install click. Downloading install packages. Getting started with SQL Server. Application related installation packages. Installation process start. Wait and here few minutes. Download successfully completed process. Second one step installing. Installing SQL Server related set of files. Installation process start. Wait and here few minutes. Installing SQL Server running action. Installation has completed successfully. Display SQL Express related application files installation location display. Next SQL administrators related path. Third one features installed related path. Next version related path display. Bottom side first button connect now click. SQL CMD shell window minimize. Third button install SSMS button click. SQL web page complete display. Install SQL Server Management Studio section లో blue color button install SQL Server Management Studio 22 installer button click. Download section లో exe file downloading process completed. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Second one set of files select mouse double click. Visual Studio installer window లో first button yes click. File explorer document minimize. Visual Studio installer window లో first button continue click. Visual Studio installer getting the Visual Studio installer ready. First step downloading process start. Wait and here few minutes. SQL Server 2025 window minimize. Downloaded process completed. Next step installing. Installing SQL Server Management Studio 22-22.10 window లో first option downloads default set SSMS related 4 options display. First one AI assistance. Second one hybrid and migration. Third one business intelligence. Fourth one code tools. 4 options left side edge box tick mark set. Mouse left click. Selected options, left side window installation details showing all options. Installation location path display. Local disk C program files. Newly created folder Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio 22. Right side total space required 3.55 GB. Install button click. SQL Server Management Studio 22 starting download options. Downloading and verifying. Minimum downloading size 1.04 GB. Second step installing packages. One of 224 packages installation process. Downloading process completed at the same time. Installation process also nearly complete. OK button click. Second button launch click. SQL Server Management Studio application run. Visual Studio installer window close. Express Edition window close. Sign into SQL Server Management Studio window right side fourth option skip and add account later option click. SQL Server Management Studio interface complete display. Connect window first one history, second one browse button click. Related options, first one local, left side expand icon click. First option select. Connection properties window, first one server name default set. Browse related window, first one selected server name as its same display in box. Encrypt related box mandatory option set, right side down arrow click. Second one optional select. Trust server certificates, left side box tick mark set. First button connect click. Right side GitHub Copilot window close. Left side Object Explorer window created server name display. Second one folder databases select. Left side expand icon click. First one system databases select. Left side expand icon re-click. Top section లో new query icon click. SQL new query. Create a new query database. Enter the database name. Create space databases space enter the name. Chari take. Top section లో green color execute icon click. Bottom side messages window command completed successfully. Query executed successfully. Left side Object Explorer window connect section related refresh button click. Display database name Charitek. Select left side expand icon click. Second one tables select mouse right click. New select first one table click.